ध्यान से देखो इस लड़की को, ये लड़की, हाँ ये लड़की, she is traveling around the world for free. मगर कैसे?
I participated in this crazy campaign, Scapia's Leap Year, where the winners get to travel the world for free.
Hello, good afternoon, and because we are in Thailand, Sawadee
Is it not Sawadika?
Sawadee if you are a female, Sawadee Krap if you are a male.
Oh.
First time in Thailand?
Yes.
And if you are wondering where have you seen us before, I am Gaurav. I was one of the panelists with the Leap Year campaign.
And I'm Annapurna. I'm one of the winner of the Leap Year.
And together we will explore Thailand.
Yeah, let's go. Which aspect of the country you really like to dive deep into? Is it the culture or the history, food?
I think the first thing is geography. I mean, or the landscape is. For me, like geography is 90% of why I travel. Then it's the food. Then it's the people. History तो मतलब सही है तो सही है. But geography is my primary driver.
There is a place which is known for dim sums.
यहाँ से है रास्ता. Sorry.
I think ये है. यहाँ पे dim sums they start selling at 5:30 in the morning.
This place looks so intriguing that I'm gonna put my flexitarian hat and eat whatever. How is it? Do you think I should try it?
Of course.
If you get a chance to get paid to go anywhere, which country would you choose?
Eritrea.
I don't even know that country. I should look it up. What?
Life is enjoy.
Life is enjoy.
अरे ये कर लेते हैं, टुक टुक हायर कर लेते हैं पूरे दिन के लिए, वहाँ चलते हैं, उसको बोलते हैं रुके और घुमाए. बेस्ट. हेलो, 2 coconut water. How much? Where are you taking us? She is taking me to a place I have not been to. Very weird. Windmill viewpoint we can make. So how you as a person have grown traveling in the last 5 months? Like I think, where all did you travel till now?
I was in India first, Madhya
Yeah.
Pradesh, Nagaland, Meghalaya, Kerala.
Yeah.
And then I started my international leg with Indonesia, Philippines, Papua New Guinea, and now in
Wow.
Thailand. From last 3 years, I hardly been home. But this time with constant movement, I kind of feel like I miss them a little more.
I think what I realized with traveling over the years is you need a right balance. This is the second best way to see Phuket. Hire a tuk-tuk and go all around Phuket.
What's the first best way?
Motorcycle. So where are we going next?
Night market! Let's go!
This is Kata Night Market.
How hungry are you?
Not very hungry, but there's always room for a lot of food in Thailand.
Yeah.
We take a mixed platter which has everything.
Okay.
One mix.
Kapunka. I'm trying this for the first time. I think it's a baby octopus again. Huh?
Oh wow.
Whoa.
One of the biggest teachers. I recommend all like young people coming out of college just to take that year off or 6 months off or 3 months off and just go to somewhere unknown and figure out life. And the amount of things you learn in that phase, I mean, like forever you will be a more patient, more practical, more like the way you think, everything would change. Chalo, I think it was a good, beautiful day spent in Phuket.
Yes.
And probably I'll see you again in another part of the world soon.
Yeah.
All the
All
best.
the best. Thank you.